In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your LinkedIn profile. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, professional link on your LinkedIn that lets people book time with you instantly, without all the back and forth messages. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account in a browser. Once you're in, go to your scheduling or event types page. This is where all of your meeting types live, like 15-minute calls, 30-minute strategy sessions, or any custom events you've created. Choose the main scheduling link you want people on LinkedIn to use. Most people pick their primary personal meeting link, the one they're comfortable sharing publicly. When you've found that event type or main scheduling page, look for the option that says Copy Link or something similar. This button automatically copies your unique Calendly URL to your clipboard. You won't see anything change on the page, but your link is now ready to paste. If you want to double check, you can paste it into a new browser tab to confirm it opens your booking page correctly. Now, open LinkedIn in another tab and log into your account. Go to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture or your name in the top navigation. This is the public page that recruiters, clients, and colleagues see, so adding your Calendly link here makes it easy for them to schedule time with you without asking for availability first. Next, you'll want to edit your profile to add the link. You have a couple of good spots to place it. One common option is the website online or contact info section, where people already expect to find links. Another highly visible place is in your headline or about section, where you can add a short call to action like book a meeting, followed by your Calendly link. Click the edit icon on the section you want to update. In the appropriate field, paste